Hi everyone, this is Tarun Rawat, and today we are here for to start a new channel between us, in which I would like to share some information. You can say something about the fitness and health education. Basically, I think we all are facing so many problems during this lockdown period, and in my perspective, this is all about the sedentary lifestyle, and we can say the inactive daily routine we have during this period. So it's a big challenge for all of us that we have to maintain our health and fitness as well during this period also. Whenever you are planning for a workout, and I think you should try to plan something for you, but a big challenge for all of us that we have very limited resources. We don't have many, or we don't have enough resources to create your exercises, to plan out your exercises for your effective physical training session. But don't worry, I will try something. I will try something for you that we can use some limited resources which you can get very easily from your home. So today I am going to take only 5 exercises which you can take for your warming up exercises also, and you can go for some health and fitness exercises for also. Whatever you want you can do. First of all, I am going to tell about some warming up importance. You can say that in my perspective, I think warming up is for the temperature raising, for raising your pulse rate, for activation of the whole body muscles, and you can say for the mobilization of the joint, which will be involved in your training session. So all these things are very important to know before starting any kind of workout. So let's start a training session. I'm going outside. I will demonstrate you 5 exercises only today. So best of luck for you.
So guys, for the activation of joints and the muscles, first of all we are going towards some light stretching. For this we have first variation is up and down. You have to go for full body stretch upward, come in toes for the more stretching. You have to do it for 20 times. Next we have another variation of stretching for sideward. Left and right, you have to do it 5 times each side. Another variation in the light stretching, you have come front, bending forward and go back by making an arc, front and go back, bend forward, go back. So this is all about the stretching. Next we have the mobilization session for your joints. You can do some rotational exercises. Arm circumduction is the first exercise. 10 times each side you have to do. Next you have the variation in the arm circumduction. You have to do it alternatively. 5 times each side you have to do. Another variation in the joint mobilization, you have to go for chest extension. 10 times you can do it. For the another exercise of chest stretching in front, you can do it like this. 10 times you can do it. Next we have some temperature raising exercises. Like third exercise we have jumping exercise. Both legs you have to do. If you don't have a skipping rope, then also you can do it. 100 times you have to do it. Then you have to go for single leg, left and right 25 times each leg. Fourth exercise you have jumping jacks, 50 times you have to do it. Another variation is with the cross legs, 20 times you have to go with cross legs. Next variation with some associated movement of your lower limbs and upper limbs. You need to coordinate well here. 20 times you have to do it. Last exercise of the day for the pulse rate raising, you can do burpee push-ups, or you can say burpee jumps for raising your pulse rate. 2 sets of 10 repetitions you have to do. So guys, this is all about the warming up sessions. Now you can start your main workout session, but one important thing is here to keep in your mind, that please ensure before that what kind of exercise you are going to do in your workout session, or what are the targeted muscles which are going to be involved in your workout. You can do some manipulation in your warming up exercises accordingly. So guys, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सभी लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि इस दौर में जहाँ हम सभी लॉकडाउन को गुजारने के लिए बड़ा प्रयास कर रहे हैं, और ये उम्मीद है सभी को कि हम सारे लोग सुरक्षित रहें अपने घरों में। मेरा खुद का मानना ये है कि ये एक बड़ा मौका हम लोगों को मिला हुआ है इस लॉकडाउन के बाद, जो कि हम अपने आप को किस तरह से फिट रख सकें, या आज तक की जो भागदौड़ वाली ज़िंदगी हम लोग जीते थे, शायद उससे थोड़ा सा हमको रिलैक्स होने का मौका मिल रहा है, और अपने आस पड़ोस और अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को जानने का मौका मिल रहा है। तो इसी बीच अगर हम अपनी कुछ फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइजेस के थ्रू, फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी के थ्रू अपनी फिजियोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस को ज़्यादा अच्छा रखने में अगर हम सफल हो पाए, तो ये एक बड़ी अच्छी बात होगी कि इस दौर में हम खुद के ऊपर काम किया, और हमारे ऊपर जो हम लोगों के जो हैबिट नहीं होती हर दिन कुछ करने का, अपने शरीर के लिए कुछ करने का, तो ये एक बड़ा मौका था जिसको हम बनाने में कामयाब हुए। ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। तो इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के साथ मैं उम्मीद करूँगा कि आगे आने वाले टाइम में भी आप इन एक्सरसाइजेस का काम करेंगे। अपने वर्कआउट सेशंस को प्लान करने से पहले मैंने थोड़ा सा इन कुछ वैज्ञानिक सिद्धांतों, साइंटिफिक प्रिंसिपल्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए इन एक्सरसाइजेस को आपके लिए डिज़ाइन किया, जो कि शायद आपको इंजरी से, और आपके जो अगर आप स्ट्रेनियस वर्कआउट के ऊपर जाते हो तो उससे आपको थोड़ा बहुत बचाने में मददगार होंगे। इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के साथ मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे आने वाले टाइम में भी मैं आपके लिए कुछ लेके आऊँ, कुछ क्रिएटिव चीज़ें लेके आऊँ, जिससे कि आपके लिए कुछ वैरायटीज़ हों घर में रहते हुए। तो इन्हीं सब बातों के साथ मैं यही चाहूँगा कि आप सब लोग अपने घरों में खुश रहें, सेफ रहें, बी सेफ, बी हेल्दी एंड बी फिट। Thank you so much.